Welcome to another night drive. So we're right here on Knutsford Boulevard in New Kingston, and we're doing a drive from New Kingston to KFC Crossroads. So let's go get some KFC, guys. It's Jamaican unofficial national dish. You know, KFC is always ram, you know. It's one of Jamaicans' favorite fast food. So we're driving from New Kingston to KFC Crossroad, just doing a night drive with you guys. I hardly do night drive, but you guys always request, so I'm gonna, as best as I can, increase the night drive as well. This is a new device. I think it's working good so far. Honestly, it really lights up outside, illuminates outside, and let the image look a lot brighter. So let me know what you think about the quality of this new device. So total New Kingston, we're on Knutsford Boulevard, passing Bijou on the right, and we'll be coming up on the Emancipation Center next. But if you're new to the channel, guys, probably this is the first video you're ever watching, or probably you've watched a few videos before and haven't subscribed as yet. Please subscribe. Please support the channel. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers in a month or 2 months the most. So we're basically at 7,500 right now. So should I go over there? Alright, I almost missed my turn, but this is the Emancipation Park. It would have been open until around 10 p.m. before COVID and before the nightly curfews, where persons can be over there chilling, socializing, exercising. But now they close around 5. This is the Courtyard Marriott right next to the Emancipation Park, and then you have the NHT, National Housing Trust head office around this side as well. So just coming down to this stretch. NHT is one of the few, you know, both public or private companies that have a multi-level parking facility, and it's right here on the right. This is the NHT multi-level parking facility. Let's head back onto the journey. We came off route just a little bit. But yes, guys, if you're new to the channel, just subscribe so you can see a lot more driving videos, construction updates, you know, apartment reviews, and other fun videos. So stay tuned. It's all about Jamaica and showing Jamaica to the world. We have Pegasus in front of us. We'll take the right turn. So we're back on the road. Alright, guys, so liking and commenting help the channel to grow as well. It helps YouTube to push the video to persons that have never seen the channel. So like the video wherever you are in the video right now, and just leave a comment. You know, let me know what you think about these night videos. So this is a driving video, you know, just showcasing how the place look at night. Remember to share as well. You know, probably you sharing to somebody else may highlight something that they would have missed. Probably they don't even know about the channel and would be happy to subscribe. So share on LinkedIn, share on your Facebook, put on your WhatsApp status, borrow your brother's phone, borrow your sister's phone, and subscribe. Borrow a friend's phone, anybody's phone that is not yet subscribed. Every subscription makes a difference. So we're on Oxford Road now. We're gonna turn on to Halfway Tree Road. Traffic not so bad right now because curfew starts at 8 p.m. Now it's around 7:20 p.m. So the traffic, the peak hour traffic is dying down. Or it has died down. You know, most persons, you know, rushing from work So we're off a tree road right now, heading in the direction of Crossroads. We have Beechwood Avenue on the right. Alright guys, so continue watching. Taxis drive on the road. He clearly just broke the red light. 100%. You have to always be watching out for these crazy taxi drivers. Not only taxi, but everybody in general. So this is State Mall on the right, State Mall Crossroad, and KFC on the right as well. They are closed. We're just gonna turn over there. Again, due to the curfew, they would have closed early. I know a few persons still on the inside. So this is KFC Crossroads. Alright, so that would basically complete the drive, guys. So we're coming in from New Kingston, basically Crossroads. Just showing you guys around the place at night. So remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share. And I'll definitely see you guys on another driving video.